Have you ever spent a lot of time editing in Photoshop only to realize you forgot to save your work? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you the proper way to save your Photoshop project so you can continue editing it anytime without losing any of your progress. First, go to File, then click Save As. Choose the folder where you want to save your project, then enter a file name that will help you easily find it later. In the Format or Save As type drop-down menu, select Photoshop *.psd. Saving your file as a PSD is the best choice because it keeps all of your layers, masks, text, adjustment layers, smart objects, and other editing features fully editable. This means you can reopen your project at any time and continue working exactly where you left off without losing any of your edits. After selecting the PSD format, click Save. If the Photoshop Options window appears, simply leave the default settings as they are and click OK. These settings help maintain the quality of your project while keeping every element editable for future changes. Finally, make it a habit to save your work regularly by pressing Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac as you edit. Saving frequently is one of the easiest ways to protect your work and prevent losing hours of progress due to unexpected crashes or power interruptions. And that's it. Your Photoshop project is now safely saved and ready for you to edit again whenever you need. Keep practicing, keep creating, and don't forget to save your work often so your creativity is always protected